Hello. You guys may have watched my series on how to find the area or percentage of area between two z-scores. But today I'm going to elaborate a little bit on that and talk about how to find the area between two raw scores. So this is going to be extremely similar. And some of you may have actually been able to figure this out on your own just based on watching the other videos. But if you're still wondering how to do this, I will quickly walk you through it. So, let's say we are given a problem where we are talking about, let's say, points on a test. Maybe the test is out of, I don't know, 160 points. The mean score, oops, I put, well, that as well. The mean score is 100, and the standard deviation is about 15 points. That's what's given to us. And then we will say that we're asked to find the area between, or the percentage as well, because remember, always remember, area equals percentage between a score of 115 and a score of 132. So, the first thing you have to do when you're given a raw score instead of a z-score is convert to a z-score. So we're just going to go over to our formula sheet here. And we were given the raw scores. These are the formulas we're going to be using. In our example, we were given the raw scores and we need to find the z-scores. So we're going to be using, I hope I didn't just make that confusing for you. Just trying to point out what we're going to be using. So today we're going to be using this formula, but always remember that this formula is available if you're trying to find the raw score from a z-score. But today we'll be using this one since we already know the raw score. We're just looking for the z-score. So z equals x minus mu over the standard deviation. Just got that right from here. Okay, so remember that these here are our x values. So let's find the z-score for 115. So z equals 115 minus 100 over 15. So z equals 15 over 15, z equals 1. That one was nice and easy, right? Nice whole number. So that will be our z-score for that one. And then let's go ahead and we'll do the 132 in green just to kind of differentiate here. So we're going to do the same thing for this one. Z equals 132 minus 100 over 15. Z equals 32 over 15. Grab my calculator here. Z equals 32 divided by 15. 2.13. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and replace these. We will remember that it was 115 and 132, but I'm just going to go ahead and replace them for our z-score since we already talked about how to find the area between two z-scores. So z equals 213. And then you're going to find it the exact same way that we found it before for the area between two z-scores that are both to the right of the mean. So basically the way that you find the area between two raw scores is exactly the same as between two z-scores, just with that extra step of converting to a z-score first.